Hello. Welcome to 5 of the most dangerous places in the world from Gelofen channel. Generally, the world is a safe place to explore. We find new and exciting things to see and do everywhere we go. However, while most places are safe, others are the opposite. Unfortunately, various issues make some countries dangerous. There are places you should avoid, whether it be because of political unrest, high crime rates, or an increased risk of natural disasters. Meanwhile, other places are illegal to visit due to their dangers. The places on our list make the cut because they either have high crime rates, increased risk of terrorism or natural disaster, or are illegal to visit. Damascus, Syria. Syria consistently ranks highly as one of the most dangerous countries in the world. Located in Western Asia, Syria has been a consistent target for terrorist attacks and wars since 2011, and things have yet to change. Therefore, travel to the capital city of Damascus is advised against. Ongoing violent conflicts, the threat of terrorism, and other severe crimes such as kidnapping and armed robbery pose a serious risk to locals and tourists. Terrorist attacks and conflict in the city are most likely to occur in residential areas and famous places of interest, so it's best to avoid the city altogether.
Los Cabos, México.
Los Cabos, along the southern tip of Mexico's Baja California Peninsula, is known for its lively nightlife, picturesque beaches, and vacation resorts. However, the city is also famous for being one of the most dangerous places in the world. A world population review revealed that the city has the highest murder rate in the world. The city's murder rate is 111.3 per 100,000 people, meaning approximately 111 people per 100,000 residents in Los Cabos fall victim to homicide. This is enough reason to avoid Los Cabos, but that hasn't stopped the city from remaining a popular travel destination. Areas of the city considered safe zones include San Jose del Cabo and Cabo San Lucas.
Pripyat, Ukraine.
The Ukrainian city of Pripyat makes our list for a different reason. In 1986, reactor number 4 at Pripyat's Chernobyl nuclear power plant exploded, causing one of the biggest man-made disasters in history. An astonishing amount of radiation spilled into the atmosphere, leading to the city being evacuated. It's believed almost 4,000 people have died as a result of the immediate blast or exposure to the radiation at Chernobyl. Today, radiation levels across the city make Pripyat one of the most radioactive places on the planet. Exposure to high levels of radiation can lead to poor health, genetic changes, and increased chances of cancer. It's reported that it could be 20,000 years until people can live in the city again. Snake Island, Brazil. Ilha de Queimada Grande, more famously known as Snake Island, is a small island approximately 25 miles, 40 kilometers, off the coast of Brazil in the Atlantic Ocean. This quite terrifying island is home to 2,000 to 4,000 venomous snakes called golden lancehead vipers. As a result, the island is off-limits to humans, with the only exception being the Brazilian Navy, which carries out maintenance on the island yearly. Even scientists and researchers need special permission to conduct research on the island. The snakes have few predators, but declining island food sources have decreased their numbers. Therefore, the species has now been listed as critically endangered. Lahore, Pakistan, is one of the most polluted cities in the world. So much so Human Rights Watch reports that city conditions can cut residents' life expectancy by up to 7 years. Lahore is heavily polluted for several reasons. However, the leading causes of pollution across the city include an increasing population, industrial and vehicle emissions, residue burning, and general waste. The situation in Lahore has been so bad that parks, schools, and markets are occasionally closed. To fight pollution, the Pakistani government has used artificial rain. Considering the profound health implications of the air in Lahore, this isn't somewhere you should visit. There are other dangerous places on Earth. If you want to know more places, let me know in the comments.